I'm putting my sticker on the inside of my planner. It has a little pouch. And so I'm going to either stick it here on the top so that when it flap comes up, you can see the sticker going up and down, or I'm going to put it here so there's not as much up and down with the sticker. I think I'm going to put it here. That'll also preserve my sticker. Just a value tip here, whenever you cut your stickers out, make sure you leave enough border so that it'll stick many times over. And also so you'll be able to press the air bubbles away from the sticker. So I'm going to place the sticker here on my planner pouch, the bottom center, just pressing it on. And here's the top, and so you just kind of do it like that to close it. But there's the sticker. That's a great spot for the sticker. And so when I come to my pouch to get things out, I'll see my sticker right there. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for your support.